Welcome to Bray, where our unwavering commitment to quality drives reliability and customer satisfaction. I'm Mitch Anderson at the Raymond Technical Center here in Houston. At Bray, quality isn't just a department, it's a core value. It's woven into our culture and operations. Through total quality management, every employee from design to installation is empowered to deliver excellence. We foster a culture of continuous improvement, defining opportunities, executing enhancements, and monitoring results to ensure peak performance. Quality at every step is possible because we own our full value chain. Establishing and monitoring robust processes across all phases of operation. Our global quality management system is tailored to deliver consistent, customer-focused results exceeding global standards. We use tools like failure modes effects analysis, capability studies, and control plans to proactively manage risk and ensure consistent quality. Quality starts at the source. We audit suppliers, verify processes, and validate output to ensure reliability from inception. Precision is ensured through internal controls, advanced equipment, and third-party verified test labs. From receipt to installation, materials are verified and traceable, reinforcing transparency and trust. We define, measure, and execute improvements to deliver better outcomes every time. Continuous improvement is a strength owned by every Bray team member. We rely on feedback loops and data analytics to lead our journey, ensuring our processes evolve with customer needs and industry standards. Our commitment to quality extends across continents and industries, delivering reliability where it matters most. Visit us online, or better yet, come visit us in person. Our doors are open. We invite you to see the Bray difference, where quality drives reliability at every step.